Welcome to MindLit, your source for deep insights into science, engineering, and the fascinating mechanisms behind the world around us. Right now, let's dive deep into the mechanical details of the OSV-96 heavy anti-materiel rifle. Join us as we decode the engineering marvel of this formidable machine. The OSV-96 utilizes a gas-operated system to automatically perform the loading cycle. Upon firing, a portion of the propellant gas is bled from the barrel into a gas tube to drive the bolt carrier group rearward. This mechanism enables semi-automatic fire, allowing the shooter to deliver rapid follow-up shots without having to manually cycle the bolt after each shot, as seen in traditional bolt-action rifles. The rifle's locking system features a rotating bolt with 4 locking lugs that securely seat the cartridge in the chamber during firing. The bolt locks directly into the barrel extension, enhancing the stability and accuracy of the projectile. After firing, the tapped gas pressure rotates and unlocks the bolt to eject the spent casing and chamber a new round from the 5-round magazine.